Hey, what's going on, guys? Kellen Cook here. Quick video for all you Samsung Galaxy S3 guys out there that want to get a Bluetooth shutter button from Phone Skope. You will find out pretty quick when you use these that they do not jive with each other. On the S3s, the volume button is the zoom button. So when you're pushing this, all you're going to be doing is zooming in. On Phone Skope's website, they give you an option of an app that you can download that will allow the Bluetooth shutter button to work with the phone. It's called Vol Shutter, and I downloaded that app and it works great, but it doesn't have a zoom. You can't zoom with it or nothing like that, and I like a zoom on my phone when I'm taking pictures to get rid of that vignetting so I have a nice clean picture. So I got online and did a lot of reading and found an app called Pro Capture. Now this is a free app that you can download from the Google Play Store, but the free app limits the camera to only 3.2 megapixel. If you spend the $2, you can get the full-blown version of it, which will allow the camera the full 8 megapixel. So let's go inside, out of this sun, and I will show you how to get Pro Capture hooked up to the Bluetooth shutter button from Phone Skope.
Alright guys, so of course the first thing we want to do is go to the Google Play Store and download the app. You just punch it in, it should come right up. I've already got it downloaded, so just type it in, Pro Capture. It depends on which one you want. You can either get the free version, or it is $3.99 for the full version of it. So depending on which one you want to use, click on it and install it. Alright, so after you get it installed, go ahead and go into the app, and you will have a camera like this. So right here in the top right hand corner of your screen, it's a little menu button. Click on it, go into Preferences, and then scroll down to where it says Audio Volume Buttons. You'll have three options here. Go ahead and click on Use for Photo Capture. Then you can go back out to your camera, and we'll get this clicked on. She's linked up, and then you can start using your button here. For those of you that want the zoom, it's just this little arrow button right here. You can click on it, kind of hides it, and you can zoom with it. Easy as that. And if you don't want it up there, you can just click on it and it'll hide it. So just like that, guys, your Bluetooth shutter button is linked up to your Samsung Galaxy S3. There we go. Done deal.
Alright, so just like that, guys, you are hooked up, ready to rock and roll with your Phone Skope adapter and your new Phone Skope Bluetooth shutter button. Good luck this season, and thanks for watching.